Hey, it's Matt here with St. Bonaventure University Cyber 501, Lab 3.2. We're looking at Metasploit. So for this lab, we've got to get the Metasploit console up and running, which we have here. And then so I created a quick workspace for Lab 3.2. And then we're going to run a scan. So I issued a scan using db-nmap for my /24 my home network to pull in some discovery right into Metasploit here. So as you can see, I've got a bunch of hosts, and scanning is this was an intense scan. There we are. 11 hosts up, scanned in 388 seconds. So I issued a host command in the Metasploit console to show us what we've got so far. After that, we're importing some data from OpenVas. So earlier I ran an OpenVas scan on my home network with the new addition of Metasploitable 2 VM. So we found a lot of stuff here. Save this off to a Nessus format, NBE file, and then I imported it with this db-import the vault scan to MB. And so it imports that report data. As you can see, it's finding a bunch of stuff here. Successfully imported. So I just run the hosts again. Vulns here. And this will show me the vulnerabilities that from the scan that we've imported that are on my network. As you see, this 1.118 has a lot of vulnerabilities, and that matches up with that Metasploitable 2 machine. So there we go. That's the first part of this lab. The next part we'll be doing this with Armitage. So here we have Armitage up, and I've just finished my scan with nmap, which I just went here, hosts, nmap scan, did a scan. Now we can also import hosts, so where we can go and grab our NBE file that we exported from OpenVas. As you can see, that imported rather quickly. And come in here and check the vulns in the console. So there's our vulns. An identified one that I'm going to try to attack now. Looking at the services on a specific machine, it has a lot of vulns. And we'll just pick the one right off the top, this FTP. So let's see if we can find something here. I'll use this search console for, looks like VSFTP. I think you need to do that. VSF, right? There we go. And that, look at that. It found item under the exploits. So give us relevant targets. Dynamic workspace. Oh, okay. So I'm not very familiar with Armitage. You know what? I'm going to move my head out of the way because it looks like I've showed some stuff down here. That, there we are. Now my head's out of the way. And we got some relevant targets. That's this guy. Now we need to see if we can't exploit it. I'm more familiar with the console, so I'll just go from here. I need to search that. Search is. Okay, there it is. So we're going to use, if I can highlight that. I think I just got reduced. Use. You know what I ought to do first? Let's make sure set our hosts. I don't know if Armitage does that for me or not. Okay, so there we are. I will use Control T. There we go. So we're going to do targets. Set target 0. Setting that. Show options. can see, there we are. We're just going to run the exploit command on this guy. And it's going to try to execute this specific exploit on the machine. And command shell session 1 opened. Impressive. Okay, so let's just do a quick little directory listing. We have that. Undo host name just to prove that we're not on this box. And their host name is Metasploitable. We have full control of that machine. Now we have a full shell. So there you go. An exploit using Metasploitable console and a little bit of Armitage, which I should try to learn more of this interface. So I'm sure we could probably do something like, oh there, look at that, shell 1 interact. We can open this right up and get our own window. Yep. So that's pretty handy. So thanks for watching this lab, and I look forward to the next one. All right, bye.